Grammy-winning reggae artist Koffee has secured a Brit-certified silver award for her song W. The track, which features American rapper Gunna, was released in November 2019 and has been viewed over 16 million times on streaming platform YouTube. W was issued the Silver Award after it sold more than 200,000 copies in the UK, as measured by the official charts company. Now this marks Koffee's fourth single to be certified in the UK. Her hit Toast was first to accomplish a silver certification in January 2019, then went gold in the UK a year later. Koffee is also gearing up to release an album in 2022. The Academy of Motion Pictures, Arts and Sciences has announced the shortlist for the upcoming 94th Oscars ceremony. The announcement was made on Twitter and boasts 10 categories. The documentary feature shortlist includes music films like Questlove's Todd Haynes' The Velvet Underground and Billie Eilish, The World's a Little Blurry, among others. While the original song list sees the likes of Beyoncé's Be Alive from the King Richard soundtrack, Jay-Z and Kid Cudi's Guns Go Bang from The Harder They Fall, Dream Girl from Cinderella, just to name a few. The nominations for the Oscars will be announced on February 8 next year, and the award ceremony will be held on March 27. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.